What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Real Motherfucking Wrestling Reviews with a Z. Second attempt at Drill Massacre. Hopefully, it's not as fucking choppy. Let's see. Alright, well, backstory. It's 1987. You and your man are going driving through the Pocono Mountains. This place has a history of bad blood. The mansion which the game is set, I guess it was owned by this one tycoon who loved kids or some shit like that, and he had a orphanage, and these kids died. I don't know if it was because of the location or if it's neglect, but the kids died. A company, a warehouse, like a tool company or a drill company or whatever the fuck type of company, bought this place out, and the workers reported seeing apparitions of kids, and it's cursed, and there's been mysterious deaths within the company, and then since then it's been out of business. And the date is 1987. And let's see where this leads. Let's see. Megan and Jeff, are you okay? I'm fine. Can you move? I can't. Don't worry, Jeff, I'll be right back. It's the worst headache in the world I've ever had. It's dark, better get him help. Now, a lot of people they don't like the jankiness of the controls. I guess the keyboard. Over the controller, oh yeah. Over the controller, I kind of prefer the keyboard. You just gotta get in the habit of maneuvering the mouse, which is overly sensitive. It isn't that bad, really. For me, I take it like on the way there, it's a long ass hike to the house, but I guess it's a way to get your mind ready for the shit that comes up if you play this already. I hope it's not as choppy for you as it is for me. But yeah, I mean, the controllers aren't that bad. If you get used to it, which I have already, I always took it as the keyboard being more difficult, but it isn't. At least to me, it isn't. The only hassle in this game in the beginning is getting to there, and the hassle while you're playing is the fact that the killer's randomized, which I guess adds on to it, but you can quote unquote play the game by finding the keys, but um, you can't continue. Like if you die, you continue with no keys, and chances are you're gonna die every time. Just because the way that the keys are, the controls, it's next to nearly impossible to evade the killer, which some people have done, but you just gotta know where the fuck you're going. Jeez, the choppiness kind of kills it. Door is open, go inside. Door locks. And she's fucked. Oh my. Whoa, little girl. Why is it choppy like that? That's it, T-Mart. You're going on timeout. Timeout. Is it this? Try to close as much as possible so it's not using as much memory. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah, a little better. Here's the thing: is I don't want to stay quiet because I'm recording, but you're stuck in suspense. Here's the thing with the sugar tunnels that I just passed. It automatically equals death. Oh shit, dude! I heard footsteps. Serious, you're stuck in suspense. All right, let's go get killed. Oh my goodness. Alright, get ready to run. Oh, nothing happened. Alright, right on, right on. Cool, cool, sister. Jeez, man. I noticed too it's the same hit ups on the wall. They're probably just copied and pasted and changed the color. Yours. This fool has to pop out now. Where you at, Naga? Alright, let's go down. Let's go down the tunnel. It's funny because someone writes sugar tunnels, we automatically call it the sugar tunnels. What I don't like about going down here though is it's fucking narrow and this bitch's footsteps are like really echoey. What the fuck? It's like a phone. Oh my god, there he is! Run, bitch! Are you guys seeing this? He can't kill me. Yes, that's the movement of death right there, everybody. Alright, let's Alright, let's entertain him. Dude, is this happening? And I'm stuck. Come on, kill me. What are you waiting for? Oh my god. Hold on. Finally. Dude. The fuck was that? Try one more time. Hey, a key. Again, there's no point in getting the keys. Oh, this bitch! Second time that girl pops out. Ah! This motherfucker! That's bullshit. One more time! Oh, God. That was really fast. I've never screamed like that in my life, dog. I'd be stupid and put this up online, which I will. I wonder if it's a certain pattern that you trigger. No. Sugar, sugar tunnels of death. Sugar, sugar tunnels. There he goes. He's coming. I'm mentally ready. Oh, I knew it! I fucking knew it! Moited? She's moited. Alright, that's it. That's it, everybody. I'm gonna end it right here so I don't have to wait like 5 years to upload it. That's it. Drill Massacre in a nutshell. Hopefully it came out well. Yeah, and I'll see what pops. Thank you for joining me, and tune in next time. I'll see what I can do with any of these. All right. Thank you, and peace out.